Hi friends, this is Ravi with you. Today we are going to prepare an Indian sweet dish which is called peda. Before that, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare this peda in very less time. The ingredients which we need are on the screen. The main ingredient to make this peda are milk and sugar. Normally this peda is made by fresh milk and it takes a lot of time. So if we make the traditional way, it takes a lot of time. So that is the reason we will use the main ingredients milk and sugar, but we are going to use a different form of milk. So we will use the milk in three forms. One is fresh milk, powder milk and sweetened condensed milk. Purpose of using these three type of milk, because we need a consistency of thick consistency so that we can give a shape to this peda. If we are using the fresh milk, so we have to boil the milk on the low flame until it becomes like semi-solid, means once water will evaporate and then the solids which will remain, that we have to use to make this peda, and that takes a lot of time. So just to minimize the time, we are using the milk but in different form. As we can see, this sweetened condensed milk, it's already sweet, so no need to add the sugar, it's enough. And powder milk we have to take and we have to mix well in the fresh milk. So by this way if we make, so it will take very less time compared to the traditional way. While mixing this milk, we have to keep the flame very low and we have to continuously stir, so that we will get our milk solid without lumps. And after that, once we get the semi-solid consistency, then we have to add the cardamom powder and ghee, and again we have to mix well. And remember that flame should be low and we have to continuously mix it, we have to stir the milk. And after that we can see that we are getting the around semi-solid form of the milk, and this whole process takes around 30 minutes. And now it's hot, so we have to allow it to get it cool. Once it's cooled down, means that should be very little warm, so which we can easily hold on our hand. So then we have to start giving a shape of peda. So it's very easy, just you have to take a small quantity and make a small like round like a ball and just press gently and it will become like a flat, like a dish. And you can choose the size according to your wish. Someone makes small, someone makes big, and even if you are giving it like a round shape also doesn't matter, but normally peda is flat shape. If we make the round, it becomes another dish which is called laddu, so that we will talk in our another video. So now you can see we started making this peda, and after giving the shape, garnishing you can do by dry fruits as per your own choice, and you can give some marking, some like design as per your choice. So you can see now our pedas are ready. I hope you will like this and definitely you will try at your home. So please give your comments, and if you like this, so please subscribe my channel. Once you are making it at your home, so please give your feedback. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now.